So this, we're gonna find all my sockets, all my ratchets, all my extensions. Good afternoon, everybody. We are going to do Toolbox Tour. I know a lot of you guys always wonder what you'd find in a mechanic's box. Now, I have about 18 years experience, so I've accumulated quite a few tools over my 18 years in the trade. And I'll show you how I've organized it. I'm just kind of show you how it looks on a daily basis. Let's see what I got. So we're gonna neglect top end because it's kind of a mess right now. But we'll start up high. So this drawer, we've got our torque wrenches. Right, we got 3/8, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. Also got more specialty tools like this nice little extendable pry bar. Here we got mainly for brake servicing, right? So here you got your rear brake tools. And then we got the old hammer drawer. So we got a variety of different hammers. Obviously, we got ball peens, the big sledges, and the rubber dead blows. Here, again, this is kind of just specialty stuff. We got our special sockets. This is actually a turn back tool for brake disc calipers. Then here we have, this is going to be all your drill bits, all my buffing and air hammer bits. Move on to this side. Here we got our punches and our chisels. This is my electrical diag drawer. So we got the power probe, variety of electrical tools. Here we got kind of a junk drawer. This is more of my specialty diag stuff. So here we'll have my scan tool, a thermal imager, multimeter, TPMS tool, and vacuum fluent filler. Here we've got another special tool drawer. This is mainly going to be my pullers. We got 3-draw pullers, 2-draw pullers. We got a big kit of pullers, and then this is going to be my compression tester. One of my favorite drawers. So this, we're going to find all my sockets, all my ratchets, all my extensions, like this really nice wobble set, Olsa Tools. And then here, this is torque wrench I use on a daily basis. Then we got long handle ratchets, 3/8 ratchets, and then we have all the different sockets that are also organized by Olsa Tools. Down below, we got the plier drawer. As you can see, she's just filled with all sorts of different pliers. I basically have a use for every single plier in this drawer at some point. Then we got my metric wrench drawer, right? So here we got your stubbies, your thin wrenches, and you got your metric wrench set, ratcheting flex head wrenches, and then just some extras that I don't have a spot for. This is all my standard stuff. Don't really use a whole lot of this anymore. And this is kind of just all the other wrenches I just don't have a home for. Then we have my all my tapping stuff. These are my extractor. And then we have the mighty bolt bin drawer, right? So this is where I'm gonna keep all extra bolts and stuff that we'll need. And then this is my power drawer. Not all my power tools are on here because I also have a service cart that I'll show you guys quickly. And we also have this drawer, which again, we have our pullers for your pitman arm. We have scrapers, alignment tools. These are trim tools. Then we have this drawer, which again, we have a lot more of the specialty kits down in here. All right, so let's go see my service cart that I use on a daily basis. So here, my service cart. This is where I keep all my impact sockets that I use every day. All my 1/4 inch stuff I use on a daily basis, same with here. And then hanging on the side will be all my impact guns. My bigger impact guns and my 1/4 inch electric ratchet is there. Then I got my hammer, and then my screwdrivers, also nicely organized by Olsa Tools. And then we have all my fluids and stuff. So there you go. There's a little tour of my toolbox and my service cart. So if any of you guys were curious, now you're not curious anymore. Anyways, hope you like that. Kind of nice sometimes having a little peek in somebody else's toolbox and see what they have. Anyways, have a great day.